HX PSW 3000 automatic sheet collating and overlay laminating machine. Automatic PVC sheet loading. Sheet collating. Correcting and conveying. Welding. Overlay laminating. Cutting is an automatic card production equipment. This machine has 3 sets of automatic fitting frames for collating sheet. Fitting frame adopts gear motor automatic material lifting platform to have material fitting. Collating sheet by sheet and sanding. There is a cylinder correction mechanism inside the fitting frame, which is applied to initial position PVC material and separate sheet one by one. Adopt high precision module. Lifting air cylinder interworks with a vacuum suction board to convey the material from the fitting frame to the UVW correction platform. At the same time, vacuum suction board on the other side will convey the corrected material to the sheet collating platform. Using ultrasonic welding makes the spot welding firm, smooth, and fast. Before overlay laminating, the sheet surface needs to be cleaned to remove the dust. The structure uses sticky rubber wheel and a tearable sticky paper to clean the surface of the sheet. Every fitting frame is corresponding to a UVW correcting platform. When material is in correcting position on X-Y direction, CCD vision detection system will take pictures and calculate the deviation automatically. And the deviation value will be converted to the pulse signal and feedback to the UVW correction platform, thus to correct it to the set value. To meet with higher precision and efficiency is the preferred product among the sheet collating and overlay laminating machines.